dividend is going to be this long old thing up here. So x to the third minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 4. So you have to multiply this by something to get x to the third. In this case, it would be a x squared, because you have an imaginary 1 right here. Check it. Okay. Subtracting, so x to the third, and then you multiply this too. So minus 2x. And you distribute the negative to everything inside the parentheses. So your x cubes cross out, and your 2x squared turns positive. So it will be a negative 4x plus 2x, so that gives you negative 2x squared. And then the next step is to drop down your 6x positive. To get a negative 2x squared, you have to multiply by a negative 2x. And then you distribute that negative 2x to your 2 over here. So negative 2x squared plus 4x. And then you're subtracting, so you have a negative on the outside. These turn positive, so your 2x squared cancels out, and the 4x turns into a negative. So it's negative 4x and 6x, which gives you a positive 2x. And then again, you drop down your 4, negative, negativo. And so you need a positive 2, and then positive 2 times negative 2 is a negative 4. So you have 2x minus 4, sorry. And then you have a negative on the outside, so your 2x cancels out. My eraser, special. Okay. So this turns into a positive 4. And now both of them cancel out. So you have a 0 right here. And you have nothing left to drop down. So you're done. And you have no remainder. So this up here is your answer. Ta-da! You are now pros.
Equation. This is missing a term. So when you miss a term, you have to plug in a 0 instead of what you're missing. So if you have x plus 3, you need an x to the third. Should be x minus 4 plus, and then you multiply these two, 3x to the third. But you just not only subtract this, you distribute it. So this will cancel out, and this would be negative 3x to the third. And you just repeat that. So x to equal negative 3x to the third, you have to get a negative 3x squared, which is negative 3x to the third, and you bring down your next term. So 3x squared, and then you multiply this times this, which is 9x squared, and then just distribute. This will cancel out, negative 6x squared, and you bring out your next term. So 6x squared divided by x is negative 6x. So then you plug in the negative 6x, and you multiply these two, negative 18x, which will cancel out. And then you get positive, which would be 19x. And you bring down your next term. X into 19x is plus 19. And then you subtract. 3 times 19 is 57. So that'd be your remainder. And you're done.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this big problem. How are you going to solve this? Long division is the easiest that cannot lie. You do the simple properties and divide. If you feel like you want to divide, just do the supposed to be multiplied after. What the? Okay.
What's gonna go down?
We're gonna be learning about long dividing polynomials.
Right.
More than one.
Like every other day.
This.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Since you guys aren't used to me, this one, you guys. Where's my pen? Guys, silence. Okay. I feel superior. Okay. First step. Listen carefully. You have to multiply this to get this. So you need two x's and you need a what are you missing?
This way.
Yes. You're gonna put x up here.
I got it right?
Yes. Congratulations. Okay, so 3x times x is 3x squared. Add your negative in front of it because you're subtracting. Okay. Then you multiply. Let me explain it. Multiply 3 times 4. What is that?
12.
And then add the x.
12x.
Okay. Plus 12x. Distribute the negative to the 3. So it's negative.
Negative 3x.
So these cancel out. And then negative to 12 is negative 12.
5x.
Negative.
Negative 5x.
And then you just bring down your negative 20. What do you have to multiply x by to get negative 5x?
Negative 5.
Good. So then you have negative 5x minus 20.
She did the right answer.
Okay. Then you have a negative out here because you're subtracting. You have to distribute that.
So those turn positive.
Uh-huh. So these both cancel out. And you have no remainder.
So that's the answer.
Uh-huh. 3x minus 5. Guys get it?
Yes. You're getting it. You're getting it. I'm the quiz.
Alright. Okay, so the next one.
Oh.
Now we're gonna learn about synthetic division.
Oh my god.
Okay, now we're gonna learn about synthetic division.
Ponle atención.
You have your regular and you bring down the 1. And then the 1 you multiply it down the and you and then
Yeah, no sabes.
Nada.
Oh, hey, you're still recording? I didn't get my bag. Call Ivan. Need his number? Yeah.
Great. So you multiply these two? And you add these, so negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. And then 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And then you combine these two, which is 1. And 1 times 1 is 1.
Can you use blue now?
I like blue. And then negative 1 plus 4. This isn't working anymore.
3-pointer. It's good.
Oh.
No saben.
I don't. Dude, you give me the hardest one. And then you put this in. Yeah, you put this in. 4.
Elias Campos, please report to the office.
Ay, wait.
Elias Campos, please report to the office.
Are you still recording? Yeah, but she's messing up.
Stop. 4 seconds. Yeah, just
Go like at 410. Or 405.
Then after you get this, you bring down, which is negative x squared, since you just have a negative 1 here. And then you put an x, because this is 1, and then you could add a 0, but you don't need that. So then this is your answer.
Students.
If anyone without the X, without
I am a sinner who's probably
Dude,
gonna
hey.
sin again. Lord, forgive me.
No.
Students, you have anything to say?
Huh?
What do you guys think of the class?
Just
As
like-
in the lesson.
¿Qué dijo?
Okay.
Dijo que era la...
¿Cómo
que-
piensas que está la lesión
Ya.
que te están enseñando?
Que
No sé.
pendejo, no sabe nada.
¿Cómo te llamas?
I speak English, bro.
Black kid.
What is your name?
My name's Andrew.
¿Cómo te llamas?
AKA Nano, ese... no sabe su nombre.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Jaime.
How are the students?
Very disruptive.
Ni sabe nada.
How are the students?
He said that she doesn't know the
How are the students?
My bruh.
I don't even want to say anything.
Yeah, what's up? What's up, bruh?
The rest you can just
Dus.
¿De dónde, ¿De dónde vienes?
Deuces.
¿De dónde vienes?
Así lo dices, deuces.
You can do this way.
Deuces. Deuce.
Okay, you guys can go.
Here you go.
Yeah, say.
Deuces, maestra.
Pablo. Pablo!